This is all of the backyard. This is a very large backyard. You can see the neighbor's backyard there. I will walk to the corner of the yard to give you perspective, friends, of how large this yard is. It sits on 0.27 acres of land. That is your home, friends, right there. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today is a special open house video located here at Webb Spruce Creek Golf and Country Club. This is an alternative to the Villages. It is located 10 minutes north of the Villages on Highway 441. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends, thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today's a special open house video located here at Webb Spruce Creek Golf and Country Club, about 10 minutes north of the Villages, Florida. Today we have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco home with a 2-car garage. Let's walk up the driveway and take a look. First thing I notice, it is a cement driveway that is in very good condition. Very mature landscaping here as well. Has a very deep setback. This home is list priced for $354,000. And it is located in the Firethorn division of Webb Spruce Creek Golf and Country Club. I will video the specification sheet to give you the particulars of this home. Very deep setback. This sidewalk is a cement sidewalk that has a stamped pattern to it, a stone pattern, and it is colored. That is your front entry door. Very nice home. As always, friends, please contact the listing agent, Charlie Martindale, at ERA Grizzard Real Estate if you have any questions about this home. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we are, friends, standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I noticed, it does have a tile floor. Off to the back of the home you will see a living area and a lanai. The living area does have laminate floors, very high ceilings with recessed lighting. They do have knockdown texture on the ceiling as well as the walls. Off to the right of the foyer area you will find a den area. It does have carpeted floors in the den. Very large windows. This home is offered by Charlie Martindale at ERA Grizzard Real Estate. Please contact Charlie if you have any questions. This is the front den area. Very nice, very comfortable, very high ceilings. It's the first thing I noticed in this home. All the ceilings are very high. Let's take a walk through the rest of the home. Off to the right, you will see a guest bedroom and a guest bathroom. Let's take a look at the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom does have tile floors, has a wood cabinet, looks like it has polished chrome hardware, has a single sink with solid surface, knockdown texture on the ceiling and the walls, very high ceilings, has a window above the tub and shower surround. That tub and shower surround does appear to be fiberglass or plastic. Here we are in the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom does have carpeted floors, very high ceilings with knockdown texture, large window overlooking the lanai. This bedroom appears larger because of the high ceilings. Let's take a look at the closet in this guest bedroom. There is your closet in the guest bedroom. Has a wire rack shelf in it. Let's continue through the rest of the home. I will walk out into the lanai area next and the backyard. I will give you the directions of this home. This is the living room area. Very large living room. Living room dimensions are 15 feet by 14 feet. Knockdown texture on the ceilings. Neutral paint colors. You have a wall of sliding glass doors off to the lanai. Let's go into that lanai area and take a look. This is a block and stucco home, friends. Here is the lanai area. Runs the entire width of the home. Very high ceilings in the lanai. You have glass or acrylic windows throughout this lanai, overlooking a huge backyard, and I will take a walk out there a little bit later. This lanai is very large. High ceilings, very comfortable. It does even have an outlet on the wall. It also has what appears to be a cable TV plug as well. You could watch your favorite football games in here, friends. Let's walk out to the backyard and take a look. The back of the home does face east and the front of the home does face west. This is all of the backyard. This is a very large backyard. You can see the neighbor's backyard there. I will walk to the corner of the yard to give you perspective, friends, of how large this yard is. It sits on 0.27 acres of land. That is your home, friends, right there. This is your yard. Very nice. That is your side yard there. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Just remember, friends, that subscribing to YouTube is free. Let's take a walk through the rest of the home, friends. We will now take a walk off into the master bedroom area. Take a walk off into the master bedroom area, then we'll go into the garage and then the kitchen. I'll give you a panoramic view of the living room area. That is a pass-through window into the kitchen area. Here is the master bedroom. The laminate floors do continue in the master bedroom. Let's see what the dimensions are. The dimensions of the master bedroom are 11 by 13. Very large window. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture. Again, friends, this home is located at Webb Spruce Creek Golf and Country Club. And we are in the Firethorn Village. This is the master bedroom. That is your master bathroom. Raised panel white doors. Wood cabinets with polished stainless hardware. Solid surface countertop with 2 sinks. This room is very bright, very nice, very comfortable. Ceramic tile floors. Large soaking tub in this master bathroom. Very large window as well. That appears to me to be a 36-inch shower. Let's take a look at what the shower looks like. It has glass doors. Very nice. Please refer to the specification sheet for the size and the dimensions of this home, of these rooms. It has a separate commode space as well. Very high ceilings. Now this is a walk-in closet off the master bathroom. Wire rack shelves. Very nice. Very neutral home. Let's take a walk through the rest of the home. Give you an idea of what that tub looks like. What the rest of that master bathroom looks like. Let's take a walk out into the garage, friends. After the garage, we will finish up with the kitchen area. Here we are walking off into the garage. In this hallway, you do have a laundry room. Very large laundry room. Walking off into the hallway, we will continue to go into the garage area. Let's take a look at what the garage looks like. It looks like it has painted floors, cement floors. It is a 2-car garage as well. You see that tank in the corner? That's an air tank for the well. The well does supply water for irrigation for your lawn. This home does have city water supply for potable water, but it does have a well to irrigate your lawn. You can see the laundry is in the garage on this home. This home does have a laundry room, and from what I'm told, some people opt to put their laundry in the garage and use the laundry room as an office space. You can see that this home does have a sink in the garage. Has an extra space off the side of the garage for storage as well, with a window. Very nice. Knockdown texture on the ceilings as well. That is your hot water heater right there, friends. Let's go off into the kitchen and take a look at the kitchen. Here we're walking out of the garage, turning right into the kitchen. It does have an island. Very nice countertops. I believe these countertops are quartz countertops. Has wood cabinets. Has a 2-bowl sink that is looking off into the living area. Has a area in the kitchen for a kitchenette to dine. Has recessed lighting in that kitchen. Large window. Lots of recessed lighting in the kitchen, actually. Knockdown texture on the ceilings. It does have an electric range. Again, friends, this home is list priced at $354,000. Please contact Charlie Martindale at ERA Grizzard Real Estate. I will video the specification sheet so you have his contact information. I will also include his contact information in the description of the video. And here's his business card right there. This is the specification sheet. This home is located at 13089 Southeast 86th Court in Summerfield, Florida. It is located in the Webb Spruce Creek Country Golf and Country Club in the Firethorn Village. Please, friends, feel free to pause the video at any point if you want to read the specifications of this home or their room dimensions. I do appreciate it. I will flip the specification sheet over. There we are, friends. I'll take another last panoramic view of the home, of the kitchen area as well, and the living room. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Your support has been awesome. I will now walk off into the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. I'll give you the dimensions or the directions of the street. Here we are walking out into the street. Very quiet neighborhood. Nice deep setback on this home. Here we are at Webb Spruce Creek Golf and Country Club. I hope you enjoy the content. This is the street. The front of the home is facing west. That would be panning the street facing north. That is your home. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a den, block and stucco home. This is the street panning south. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. That is your home, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a den, block and stucco, located here at Webb Spruce Creek Golf and Country Club. Take care, everybody. Thank you for taking this special home tour here at Webb Spruce Creek Golf and Country Club. I hope you enjoy the tour. Take care and stay safe, friends.